Afternoon. It's
Yes.
afternoon now. Hi, Singapore. Hi, everyone. Can you make some noise, please?
This is our first time here in Singapore, so I want to say that we are so happy to be here.
So, this is the first time for the both of us that we are having a show here in Singapore.
Yes.
I think you've been here for an event before.
No.
Right? No?
This is my first time
Oh, this
in
is
my
your
life in Singapore.
Oh, this is your first time in Singapore? Okay. How are you liking it so far?
Yeah, I think the city is really beautiful. Yeah, so I arrived yesterday around 3 p.m. I think. Yeah, and I went through around the city just a little bit. Yeah, I think the city is really beautiful.
Did you get to go anywhere or sightsee, or did you come straight here from practice?
Not that much. Just
Not that much?
going around having dinner. Yeah.
Okay.
Me, salmon.
You didn't try
Salmon steak
anything
again.
You didn't try anything like local Singaporean food yet?
No, not yet. Maybe today.
Maybe
After
today.
the show, yeah.
Yeah, after the show. But before going to after the show, we have to finish the show first.
Yes.
We haven't even started on that yet. So it's our first time for him in Singapore. It's also my first public event here in Singapore, so we're really excited to be here for the both of us. If we have the chance, we also would like to come back here again and
Yeah, sure.
not only meet you guys in the hall, but also for those who are outside, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's great to be here. It doesn't feel that different from Bangkok, right?
Yeah. Warm welcome.
Yeah. Warm welcome as in the crowd or the temperature?
Yeah. Both.
Yeah, so the climate's like pretty the same, so
Yeah.
I think that's a good thing for us. Yeah, we don't have to adjust, but it's a 2-hour flight from here, and we're really glad to be here today.
Yeah.
Yes.
I heard that you guys have been waiting for us for 5 years, right? Yeah, so but finally we are here now. So we hope that you guys enjoy our show today. Okay.
So for just a show of hands, I'm just curious. So how many of you in here are actually like from Singapore? Ooh, quite a majority of you. ใครคนไทยบ้างครับ ก็เยอะอยู่ And is there anybody that came here across from Malaysia, or is that really? So you crossed here from what's the city called? Johor Bahru, right? I see. Oh, from Myanmar? Really? Oh, wow. เกาหลี โอ้โห อันนี้ไกลจริง
Yes.
So quite a few of you today, so we have a lot planned for you.
Yeah.
In terms of show, what do you think after practicing?
It's been 6 months since our rendezvous in Bangkok, so we are a little bit nervous and excited because we have to practice a little more for the show. Yeah.
Because I'll be honest, it's been like exactly 6 months. So the first rendezvous FanCon in Bangkok was the 31st, the 1st and the 2nd of November. Today's the 4th of April.
Yeah.
It's been exactly 6 months, so
6 months.
6 months. So we're a bit rusty, but we have been practicing.
Yeah, and we'll try our best.
We'll try our best for today. So I think there's a lot in store. Has any of you never seen, not even online, stuff about the Rendezvous FanCon? Is there? Some? Okay, there are some. So we have quite a lot of shows from the FanCon for you today, and a bit of new stuff.
Wow.
That wasn't in the original, so it's a mix and match type of situation. So we'll see how it goes today.
Yeah. We hope you enjoy the show today, okay?
So I am assuming that all of you in here are going to be taking photos with us next, right? Right? Okay. You guys ready? All right. Can I hear your voices one more time? Like, come on. Are you guys ready? All right. So we'll see each other. We'll be taking photos next. เจอกันนะครับ See ya. Bye bye. อีก2 นาทีเดี๋ยวมา We'll be back. Bye guys.